Good day to you traders. It's Thursday, July 22nd, 2021, and we've got NVIDIA on our radar again, thanks to today's cherry bomb from Tasty Trade. Link in the description down below. Go ahead and sign up for Tasty Trade's cherry bomb. I don't normally do that at this phase of the video. I'm doing the trade overview, so let's get back to the trade overview. NVIDIA, right? A NASDAQ tech stock. You may know of them as the people that put together video cards or whatever else they do. I have a video card in my computer over there that they're going for twice the market rate right now due to that shortage of chips and whatnot. So if you get the email from today, you'll see they talk about that. But NVIDIA has a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4. When we did our video recently on July 2nd, I had erroneously put 4 drops of liquidity. It's 3 drops of liquidity. Its IV rank is 4, and we're looking at a bullish play, although we were bearish on July 2nd of last week. So check out for last week, of the last time we did this video. So if you look up in the cards section there, should slide out a video. Go ahead and watch that. We took a short position in NVIDIA on the 2nd, and then 3 trading days later, we took off $240. Thank you, NVIDIA. Hashtag awesome, right? I don't use hashtags really, but anyway. So anyway, let's go on to Thinkorswim and get started, shall we? On screen here, you can see the chart for NVIDIA, and right back here was July 2nd. That's where we took our short position, and then on the 6th, that's where we closed it. Yes, we could have made even more, but you know, I'm not looking to time things perfectly. I mean, who wouldn't? But you know, I take my profit, I manage my winners. When it's time to manage those winners, I get my 50% of my max profit and I take it, right? And now here we see we've hit that bottom band and we're bouncing back up. So I like NVIDIA products, so I could see myself easily being bullish on this one. So let's take a look at a bullish play now on this one. Head over to the Analyze tab. We're going to be in the August monthlies, which has 29 days to expiration if you're watching this today, the 22nd of July. And we're looking at selling a 170 put, which is a 14 delta. Yes, I know that's not particularly awesome. You're essentially taking $15,000 of risk. No, $17,000 of risk. Yes, that's about right. So you're taking about 17. Don't want to say 15. All right. So anyway, $17,000 of risk does not sound probably all that awesome to most people, especially in you know, volatile tech stocks, etc. Who knows what's going to happen? But let's analyze it anyway. We've got one contract for the August 20th. 2021 170 strike, looking to collect a mid price of about 218. The bid is of course 210 and the ask is 227. That is unfortunately wide, 17 cents. So if I unlock that, you see where it's going to try to fill up the bid. We'll see what happens there, but let's dial that back up to a mid price and go ahead and look at the risk profile to understand our probabilities. Here we've got our price slice set to break even at expiration, and we've got our date in the top right, August 21st, matching the date that you see in turquoise in the bottom left. We have an 85% probability of ending up on or to the right of that gold price slice. We'll call that an 85% probability of profit. That's good stuff. According to Tastyworks, which we'll head on over here, we can see that we've got a probability of profit of 85% and a P50 of 90%. That's that probability that we can make half of that maximum credit somewhere in the next 29 days. So what we're saying is you could make $109. There's a 90% chance that you could make $109 in the next 29 days. If that sounds exciting to you, and maybe you're not really ready to risk your real dollars, then go ahead and get Tastyworks. You get Tastyworks too, but I'm talking about Thinkorswim. I get those confused just about every time, even though I clearly know the difference. Thinkorswim has simulated trading in it. That's what we use here, so that when you're ready to risk your real dollars, you've risked enough fake dollars to know what's going to happen, right? So I'm going to go ahead and right-click this trade, choose Confirm and Send. Let me just click one quick button here so you can see the Confirm and Send screen. This is what pops up, but I have my OBS settings so that you can only see the main window, and it looks larger, hopefully easier to see. Reviewing what we saw, our max profit of 218 and our $16,782 of max total loss should NVIDIA go to zero in the next 29 days. probably not likely to do. And ideally, if you're taking trades like this, you're going to set yourself some alerts, right? So let's pretend that we're going to do that, right? Let's go ahead and I'm going to, once again, naked short puts on this one. I'm going to throw this into my IRA here. Go ahead and hit send, and you'll see it switches us over to our IRA account. Let me click back to that full screen, if we'll call it that. And now I've got this trade in my working orders. And what I could do here is go ahead and choose create an alert, right? At which point I can say, hey, I want to know when this put is trading for, let's say, what's the maximum, we said 2 times the credit received. So if this credit, let's say, just gets to $4, and I hit the wrong button. Look, there I am in space. All right, let's go ahead and remove that. See, I can't use my keypad on the right side of my keyboard because that's my shortcut keys. All right, so now if NVIDIA and this put ends up being worth $4, right, I'm going to get notified and go, hey, look, that's the time to close this trade. So you don't really have to take the full risk. Although we know, depending on whether or not you're able to run to the bathroom real fast and put the closing trade on, you know, you may want to avoid trades like this, right? That's why define risk helps you sleep at night. We'll take a quick look at that too, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and hit create, and I'm going to put, hey, mark is at 418. Yep, I like to do the last. Let's go with close this loser. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit create. Now I have an alert to let me know it's time to close that NVIDIA loser. You could also set the alert for $1 or less, right? And that would mean you'd got your 50% of your max profit. So anyway, let's take a quick look at a trade that might allow you to walk away from the computer, sleep at night, etc. So we were selling the 170, and I'm going to go back to Tastyworks because it's just so much easier, I find. What reason to get Tastyworks to manipulate your trades. So I believe I looked at selling the 180 and buying the 175. Instead of collecting 218, you collect 118. Instead of having a 90% probability of making half, you get an 81%. So the probabilities are off, of course, compared to that naked put. But instead of risking $17,000, you're risking $382, which should be easier to sleep with at night. So that, my friends, is a defined risk trade there. Let's hop on back over here to Thinkorswim, and let's take a look at our portfolios. In the IRA here, it looks like it's time to close the Cliff trade that we recently put on. And yeah, thank you very much, Cliff. That's that steel trade that we put on Monday, I believe. Let's see how that trade compared to the other one that we put on here, Cliff. This one here is a vertical. And we got 55% of the max profit, so $37 profit on that one. So both are ready to close. Amazon is also ready to close at max profit, not a max profit, a profit so far of $300. So yeah, a couple of trades to manage. And in case you're wondering, that's how we end up. If you're ever watching this channel and you see this guy's got a portfolio of losers, it's because I take my winners off. All right, you made it this far into the video. You're a trooper. Big thumbs up to you. If you feel I've earned a thumbs up, there is a button down there. If you think I've earned a thumbs down, if you hit the thumbs down button, that's there for you too. I'd love it if you left me a comment, though, about what I did that really disappointed you. All right. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Look forward to having you subscribe someday. If you're not, you're probably not, because only 10% of my views come from subscribers. Look forward to seeing you on that subscriber list. Not that I get a list, but you know what I mean. All right. Until I see you tomorrow, everyone, may the market be with you.